Way they go. Valiente by the Real Manpower. Prince Carlo rushing up Mr. Kawaiso. Danori inside Lake Cam, Manila. Rushing up is Madam Leonora. Danori inside Devil in Disguise. Run like the wind. Valiente by some 4 lengths followed by Mr. Kawaiso. Manpower racing third by the Lake Cam, Manila as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Valiente by some 5 lengths followed by Mr. Kawaiso. Running in third, Manpower down on the inside, rushing up Devil in Disguise alongside Madam Leonora Lake in Manila, running in 6th, 7th position, belongs to reporter down in 80's reality show. Number 410, Carmelita is strong friend Prince Carol run like the wind, while entry number 2, Sheila Princess is running in 13th. 13, Mr. Kawaiso, the leader via Lankenha, followed by Devil in Disguise. Madam Leonora is racing from the outside, Manpower, and on the inside, Valiente. As they race the last 450, Mr. Kawaiso by some 2 lengths, followed by Devil in Disguise. At still Mr. Kawaiso by some 3 lengths now. Devil in Disguise running in second, Manpower, Madam Leonora Reporter. Down on the inside is Valiente Prince Carlo. And nearing the finish line, Mr. Kawaiso now pulling away from the pack. And finally, Mr. Kawaiso. Second, Disguise, Madam Leonora Prince Carlo. And Reporter for your Fantafecta